Hey friends, imagine this. A cozy little store is making a cool $27,000 every month just by selling adorable mugs on Etsy. And guess what? There's a whole neighborhood of shops doing the same. Today I'm super excited to invite you into the behind the scene of the friendly business. But here is where it gets super fun. We're adding a sprinkle of AI magic to make things way easier.
What we are chatting about is the wonderful world of print on demand. Think of it as your friendly neighborhood version of dropshipping, but with the focus on mugs and creating them with this cool AI gadget. It's easy as sipping lemonade on the fast lane.
In this super relatable video, we'll pick a few real life stories, and I promise you the number are gonna make you smile. We'll break down the whole process into bite-sized pieces, and for the grand finale, we'll actually set up our own little shop together right here, right now. It's like learning to ride a bike with training wheels, super easy and fun.
Okay friends, to really get a taste of this amazing adventure, let's check out this Etsy listing. And believe it or not, it's making around $600 a month. It's a simple little treasure. But wow, it's a crowd pleaser or a secret sauce?
We are going to use AI to whip up designs just like this. This sweet little shop has more goodies too, like this one making a happy $500 a month and another pocketing a friendly $300. Just these three listings alone have sold over 2,400 mugs.
Wow.
That's a mug mountain. Imagine having to stack up all these mugs in your living room, print cute design, and then package and ship them out.
Well, print on demand is like a kind of neighbor who say, I got your back. It's like a drop shipping more helpful cousin. You team up with a supplier like Printify, who hand you blank goodies like t-shirts, pillows, socks, posters, mugs, all ready for your creativity. The coolest part is that Printify shakes hands with Etsy Marketplace, so the entire process is like a walk on the park.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to pick a product, add your personal touch with the design, could be an image, some text or an AI masterpiece, and list it in your Etsy store with a touch of flair. When one of Etsy's amazing 450 million monthly visitors stumbles upon your store and says, I want that, Printify steps in like a superhero.
Your design gets printed on the mug, and it is sent flying to your customer doorstep. The best part, no need for a store, website, or shout from a rooftop with us. It's like having a friendly helper to do the heavy lifting. Get ready to have your socks knocked off, because starting the biz is like a walking in a park.
But let us sprinkle some extra pixie dust so you can witness how magical this can really be. There's this gem of a shop named Magpie Mugs, and they're like a mug-only club. They've made a jaw-dropping $265,000 just selling mugs. But hold on, here is an even bigger firework. Whisk is another shop and has made a whopping $1.62 million selling, you guess it, mugs.
Check out their design. They are charmingly simple, like the super cool definition mug that has earned over $7,000. All these other beauty making $6,000 from just that one listing. And now get ready for the grand reveal. They made that sweet 1.62 million in the last 5 years.
Sounds long? Here's the fun bit. It actually means they've been earning an average of $876 daily, or a cool $27,000 monthly since day one. So, is it an awesome business? You be the judge, my friend.
We have had a sneak peek at the wonders. Now let's roll up our sleeve and dive into the super fun part, creating designs with AI. First thing first, let's make a brand new Gmail account. Think of it as naming your ransom treehouse. This will be super handy when you start creating other accounts. It keeps everything neat and tidy and does a mix with your personal stuff.
Next, jump into Etsy and at the bottom of the page, click Sell on Etsy. Then open a shop. With that shiny new email you just made, sign up for free using the link below this video and you get 40 listings absolutely free. Now, let's keep the momentum going. Use the same email to sign up for Printify.
Once you are in, add your Etsy shop by clicking Connect and login. This makes sure all your creation and orders are in sync like best friends, making life super chill down the road. With the setup complete, which is a breeze by the way, we are ready to unleash our inner artist. We are going to use this super cool AI tool called Midjourney.
Think of it as your magical paintbrush. Midjourney conjures up images from just a line of text that they call prompt. So you need a free Discord account, go to Midjourney website and click Join the Beta at the bottom of the page, which invites you to the enchanted Midjourney server in Discord.
Now, Midjourney does ask for $10 a month to unlock all the magic, but it also gives you the key to the kingdom, full commercial rights to sell the images. In the Midjourney server, find Midjourney bot, right-click on it and hit message.
This opens your secret chamber so you can create without any distraction. Ready to create your first masterpiece? In the chat box at the bottom, start typing a /. And when you see a pop-up, click on Imagine. This is your magic portal. Type in your wildest dream to conjure up any design your art is desiring. So grab your wizard hat and let's get creating.
Imagine waving a magic wand and conjuring up art that sell like hotcakes. Let's say we are inspired by this cool floral mug. We can recreate the magic in a jiffy. In the prompt section, type in something enchanting like pastel floral nature on a white background. The on-white background is crucial, like the secret ingredient in Grandma's pie.
Then hit enter and watch the magic unfold. You get 4 stunning creations, each with a personality of its own. But wait, there's more. You see this cool control like the re-roll button, which is like shaking the magic 8 ball again. You get 4 entirely new creations with the same prompt.
If one of them is close to perfection, but needs a tiny nudge, hit the variation button to conjure up more similar creation. Once you spot the one, hit the upscale button to grow it into a magnificent high-resolution image. Using this nifty prompt template, you can create an endless array of dazzling images, perfect for adorning your mugs.
Now with a picture that looks as good as a rainbow and has a white background, you could whisk it off to Printify, plaster it on a mug and it's ready for the world. But my dear wizards, the cauldron has more secrets to brew, even more extraordinary designs. Type a / and let's meander into the setting option to unlock the enchanted setting window.
Here you can decide how much pixie dust or creativity to sprinkle on the AI. For instance, low stylization means the AI will stick close to your prompt like peanut butter to jelly. Opting for a higher stylization, it's like letting the AI have a party with its imagination. Running the same prompt with different levels of stylization, it's like trying on different arts. Some will be simple and classy, while others will be jazzy and out of this world.
But hang on, before you start churning out graphics like Creative Storm, there's one more trick up our sleeves, especially if you're going to be the master of mug selling.
As you craft your spell in prompt, the magic words you choose will shape the image that materializes before you, that much as clear as a crystal ball. But did you know there is an enhanced scroll, or rather a nifty trick at the end of the prompt called parameters? It's like whispering a secret command to the AI to conjure certain type of images.
For instance, when we want to weave seamless pattern, we would type --tile at the end of the prompt. And behold, seamless pattern unfold before our eyes. But the spell we need for our mugs is --AR. It's like telling the AI the shape of the canvas. You could conjure a tall and regal 9x16, which is ideal for more singular striking design, or go wide with a 16x9 to fit an epic mural.
But my magical comrades, what if we could enchant an aspect ratio that would snugly embrace the entire print area of a mug? Guess what? We can. Whisper --AR293 column 151 at the end of the prompt, and a ultra-wide image will manifest, tailored to be perfect to fit your mugs.
Feast your eyes upon the wonder that we conjured up using the enchanting method. First, we dabbled in the mystical floral realm. It took some experimenting to harmonize the styles, but we managed to pluck out a few treasures. Then, we traversed the Mushroom Kingdom, which honestly stole our art.
These creations are as sharp as they come. Next, I dare to mimic the revered pressed flower design. A single one which has garnered over 43,000 gold coins. I managed to pluck some resplendent results from the ether, which, with the right enchantment or mockups, could work wonders in the market.
But now the question looms. How do we turn these spellbinding images into gold? Gather round, the secret shall now be unveiled.
We have worked some creative magic, and now it's time to turn those nazi images into cash. First, take that lovely picture you created and simply right-click to save it on your computer. Ensure it's on a pure white background, so it's like a blank canvas, ready to charm any mug it's printed on.
With your image saved, hop into Printify and let's get that design on a mug. The process is as smooth as spreading butter on a warm toast. You'll see that your design fits the mug perfectly and it looks absolutely stunning. If you're going for a smaller mug, just drag it down a smidge and voila!
Now here is a cool trick. If you're feeling like jazzing up your mugs even more, you can use ChatGPT, an AI buddy that can brainstorm with you for free. Ask it for a list of a catchy trademark sayings that you can pair with your design. For example, with your mushroom design, you might get a pun like Pangitastic.
Make sure your new catchy phrase isn't trademarked. We want to play nice and keep things legit. Once you've got the green light, scoot back over to Printify and pop in the text layer under your design with a fresh pun or say. Now take a step back and admire your creation. You've gone from a zilch to a ready-to-sell product using some clever AI tool. It's like making a yummy cake with some help from a friendly kitchen bot.
Now, let's get the beauty list. Click on your product in the listing section, do a quick edit, and you are all set. You have created something wonderful with hardly any fuss. And now it's time for the world to see it, and for you to start racking in those well-deserved bucks.
Now let's add some pizzas to your listing with the enticing mockups. Trust us, going the extra mile with a fancy mockup can make all the difference. It's like putting a snazzy outfit on your mug. We want to catch eyes and make art flatter.
Here is a little secret. Default mockups from Printify usually don't do the trick. So what to do? Take a trip on Etsy and search for mugs mockups. You'll find an assortment of fabulous mockups, some with a proven track record. It's a worth investment, my friends.
However, if you're looking for a free option, rawpixel.com is your treasure chest. Type in mug mockups and make sure you're filtered by free. Once you spot the perfect one, download it.
Now, let's do some mockup magic with Photopea, a free and wonderful Photoshop alternative. Drag the downloaded file, it ends with the PSD, in Photopea. On the right hand side, you'll spot a layer typically labeled Your Design here. Double click the icon next to it, and this is where you drag your artwork. Position it snugly, hit Ctrl+S or Command+S on Mac to save it and close the window. Your mockup is now dressed to impress.
Next, go to File, Export and save your masterpiece to your computer. Upload this image to your Etsy listing as the first picture and you're golden.
The title and tags are your treasure maps for SEO. To craft a winning title, take a peek at a similar product on Etsy that are sitting pretty on the first page. Look closely at the keywords they use in their titles. Mix and match these keywords to compose a title that sings.
Scroll down on a successful listing page and you'll see these little circles. These are tags. Make a note of this and fill out your listing with tags that are twinsies to this one. Doing this with finesse should help your listing climb up the ranks and balls into the art of organic searches.
A few final magical nuggets. When you are making mockup, sometimes you may need to scale up your artwork, especially if it is a full crop image. Just move it to the side to ensure it appears on the correct side of the mark.
For single graphic images, no need to remove the background if it's white. But if it is not, or you fancy selling a black mark, there's a trick. Go to remove.bg, link in the description, upload your file, and it will skillfully erase the background for you. You get 3 free tries, but here's an hack. Open an incognito or private tab for unlimited tries.
This combo of creativity and hustle is how you can make your first big bucks online. It takes perseverance, passion, and a sprinkle of magic. So stay tuned, subscribe, and dive into the treasure trove of resources below.
And signing up with our link is a wonderful way to support us creating more free content to help you thrive.
Wishing you a lot of success, creativity, and happy customers. Thank you for joining us in this adventure. Until next time.
Bye.